of the housean gelle, not because of postponed questions. First thing, Prime Goan Malla, Goa Forward MLA, Sange MLA, Reginald Digamar rushed the bell of the house over postponement of start and unstart. We have not gone because of postponement and start of unstart. We have gone specifically demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister on account of this report. These reports which have come in the papers today.
It was not, sorry interrupting,
yeah.
It was not clear I think in the house that you were demanding the...
No, because my mic was not put on. That is why I'm having, that is why I'm having this press conference to make it, to elaborate on it and to make myself clear. So first thing is, I have objected to this because this is an issue that I had taken up. I am also, our party is also a petitioner. In a petition which was filed by the South Goa Advocates Association, some NGOs, including our party. The history of this is between 10th and 14th of May. Around 80 odd people died in the dark hours of 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. because of oxygen shortage. This became a national issue. And at the moment in Goa, around 3,346 people have died because of COVID. Now, we don't exactly know, nobody has exactly quantified the deaths of the number of people who have died because of oxygen shortage. Because this was only becoming famous between 10th to 14th of May. Now, let's go to the history of it. The deaths started being reported on the 10th of May 2021 during the second wave of the pandemic. Now on 11th of May 2021, the Health Minister, Vishwajit Rane, in a statement has said that the High Court should probe the oxygen shortage and take over COVID management. Go into the newspaper on 11th May 2021, the Health Minister says that High Court should probe oxygen shortage and take over COVID management. On the same day, the Chief Minister visits the GMC COVID ward with a photographer in a PPE and then comes out and says that lack of expert drivers to maneuver the trolleys has led to the deaths. Today the answer in the question of Rohan Khaunte, postponed question, Rohan Khaunte and joint perhaps, says that nobody died. Nobody died. In Parliament they have lied, saying nobody died. Now, if the Chief Minister, who seemed to have taken over control of COVID management on 11th of on the 11th of May 2021, if he took credit, then he should take responsibility also. This report is not a report written by me. It is a report written by Dr. B.K. Mishra, who is the director of IIT Goa, Dr. V.N. Jindal, who is the ex-dean, and Sanjay Kumar, who is the revenue secretary. So my direct allegation, my direct charge on the state government is that they are careless, they are not concerned about Goan deaths, and that the Chief Minister should resign over this report which implicates his government. You cannot make the Health Minister stay away from such questions. Secondly, by postponing the question or by adjourning the whole question, if you see the history of legislative democracy in Goa, there is never an adjournment for the whole hour. They would do it for 15 minutes, then extend it by another 15 minutes. See, they wanted to hide the coal block complete fiasco over coal block allocation. The government and its leaders have dealings with AXI, AXYNO and Dilip Bilcon. These are parties who are involved, who would have been involved in the coal block. They could not finalize the deal. In the bargain, Goa has lost the coal block. Our allotment has lapsed. In spite of the fact that they cited urgency and did a nomination for the consultant, appointed a consultant by nomination. After having appointed a consultant by nomination, still they are not able to finalize the MDO, who is the developer for the coal mine. In the bargain, Goa has lost 1,546 crores. This is the exact figure that is quantified by major dailies in Goa. So that is one issue. Secondly, we had moved a congratulatory motion for the government. I had moved a congratulatory motion for the government. I'll tell you, I am not a MLA of settings. Neither is our party of settings. There may be others who do settings. I had moved this congratulatory motion because Goa has got the, is ranked first in the food safety index for the 3 years consecutively among the small states. Now it is very surprising that the state which gets ranked as the first in food safety index is not in a position to start the quality control of India lab for testing adulteration in fish, fruits and vegetables. This was a lab that we had started on I'll just tell you the exact date. We had started it on 27/1/2019. This lab was started in SPDA complex Margaon by the Export Inspection Council. It was done by then Minister Suresh Prabhu in my presence and the presence of Vishwajit Rane, who is the Health Minister. This Export Inspection Agency lab cum office was inaugurated. It was subsequent to a central government inter-organizational mission report, which is also part of the answer given in a question, and visits to Goa between 14/11, that is 14th November 2018 to 16th November 2018. The team leader of that mission, called Dr. Sainu Jacob, has visited Goa to basically, I will verbatim say it, mitigate the formaldehyde residue in fishes coming into the state from other states of India. What is this? It means formalin-laced fish, which was an allegation during my time that we are backing this. After this thing came, I tried to mitigate this issue. We set up a laboratory and a testing lab and an office of the Quality Control of India and Export Inspection Agency. This team leader came here, did this report, and there is an annexure to an LAQ of mine today. This says this. So, financial and administrative section was given to this to start this laboratory on 16th of November 2018. And the Export Inspection Council said that in 6 months the lab would be commissioned. Until then, confirmatory testing of formaldehyde can be done from the Mumbai lab of Export Inspection Agency. The lab was inaugurated in January 2019. Then we had the Lok Sabha polls. I was removed from the ministry in July 2019. Now more than 2 years have gone. There is no lab. Why is the lab not functional? Is the state government in some setting with the formalin mafia, if it exists? Today there is some party, which is a new party or emerging wannabe party, which is basically calling itself revolutionary. I've always been saying that mercenaries cannot be revolutionary. Somebody whose remote control is run from somewhere makes them issue statements that Vijay Sardesai is there in this. Vijay Sardesai is not a minister for the last 2 years. What was this government doing? Why is the government not able to functionalize its own lab which has started? So the government is giving vague answers. So I wanted to know the actual status of this advanced laboratory. The government has tried to avoid this question and therefore adjourned the question by 1 hour. So this is basically done.
Reply is given or is
Reply is given, the report goes out. But the discussion should come there. So basically what I am trying to say is Goa was supposed to be the first among the 13 coastal states of India to have such a laboratory. This Export Inspection Agency certification is accepted by Japan, which adheres to the highest standards of health. So this was supposed to give us a complete, unadulterated food, safe food to the people of Goa. This was my endeavor during my time. This was not done. So the oxygen death is something which is abhorring, which people in Goa cannot expect a state government like Goa to have. म्हणून ताजे खातीर आमी आवाज उठोवचोच पडटलो म्हणून आमी आवाज उठयला. आवाज उठोवन आनी चान्स घेतला आनी कोलाचे स्कॅम, फॉर्मेलिनाचे स्कॅम, फिश फार्मिंगाचे 0 आवराक आमी आतां रेस करपाक ट्राय करतात. इफ दे अलाव मी फिश फॅमिन जावपाचें गोंयांत शक्यता आहा. गोंयांत नुस्तें म्हणटा तें नाच जातलें. दुष्काळ येतलो नुस्त्याचो, कित्याक दर्यांतलें नुस्तें बुल ट्रॉलिंगा खातीर नाच जाल्लें आहा. सो म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे इश्यूज डिस्कस जावंक जाय. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन डिस्कस जावंक जाय. एक होम मिनिस्टर देशाचो, होम मिनिस्टर राज्याच्याक मेळटा आनी 4 मर्डर 2 दिसांत जातात. सो म्हाका दिसता देर इज अ कंप्लीट कॉलेप्स ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. मुख्यमंत्र्याचें एटेन्शन फक्त इलेक्शन जिखपाचेर आहा काय इलेक्शन मॅनिप्युलेशनाचेर आहा, वो सेटिंगा करपाचेर आहा. पयलीं म्हणटालो हांव ट्रिपी मेजता म्हणून, आतां तो ट्रिपीचेर ना, तो आतां फुडें पावला आनी फुडें पावून भरमसाट करप्शन चालू आहा. आनी हे करप्शना खातीर गोंयाक लॉस जायत आहा दिसान दीस. हे सगळें आमी एक्सपोज प्रोएक्टीव ओपोजिशन म्हणून आमी सदांच एक्सपोज करपाक बरोबर आशिल्ले. आजूय बी आमी केल्लें आहा. पूण इट इज रॉंग टू से दॅट बिकॉज ऑफ पोस्टपोन्ड क्वेश्चन्स वी हॅव गॉन इन टू द वेल ऑफ द हावस. वी हॅव नॉट गॉन बिकॉज ऑफ पोस्टपोन्ड क्वेश्चन्स. अदर्स मे हॅव गॉन. काँग्रेस मे
एडल्ट्रेशन जे आता फिशाची किती आसा ते
ना तेच म्हणटा
पळय दुसरें एकच सांगता एकच मिनीट. आणि आमची जी फळं खाता पळय न्ही, आमी इतली विशारी फळं खाता, इतली विशारी फळं खाता की वचत ते सगळे हे कॅल्शियम कार्बायड हे लोकांनी फुडें फळं खावपाची बंद केल्ले आसात. सो आतां ह्या विशयाचेर कितें
ना म्हणून हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदता तें अशें की जेन्ना आमकां बक्षीस मेळटा की देशान सगळे स्मॉल स्टेटी भितर फूड सेफ्टी इंडेक्सान आमी हायेस्ट, आनी गोंयकार म्हणून आमकां सामकें खबर आहा की फूड सेफ्टी कसली. ही कसली भड्याची फूड सेफ्टी, जंय दुदान भितर युरिया येता, नुस्त्यान फॉर्मेलिन येता, पोपाय कार्बायडान पिकयतात, केळें कार्बायडान पिकयतात. हें सगळें जाणा आसतना हें मिटिगेट करपा खातीर हांवें हो इश्यू घेतिल्लो सेंट्रल लेवलाचेर. हांव सुरेश प्रभू कडून तेन्ना मेळिल्लो, तांणी प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट फायल केला. तो रिपोर्ट आज पार्ट ऑफ द आन्सर आसा आनी त्या रिपोर्टांतल्यान हें जें कितें हांवें तुमकां सांगलां तें कळटा. पुणून सरकाराक इंट्रस्ट ना, तांकां ते जागो आशिल्लो, जागोय दिल्लो हांवें. जागो आतांचो चेअरमॅन जो पीडीएचो आहा तो म्हणटा ना ते फक्त एक्सपोर्ट करपाचें आहा, तें खंय चॅक करपाचें. म्हळ्यार हांची तकली पसून हें चलोवपाक तयार ना. अरे ते कितें आहा, एक्सपोर्ट इन्स्पेक्शन एजन्सी. सो इट डजंट मीन इट इज वॉट इज मेंट फॉर एक्सपोर्ट. इट इज अ institution of the government of India which has something called Quality Control of Council, Quality Council of India, which makes this lab. हे तागडे बावड्या कोडान वचत ना ताज्या. तो म्हणटा कितें हें फकत एक्सपोर्ट करपाचें आहा तें चॅक जाता म्हणटा. अरे आमी केल्लें कोणा एक्सपोर्ट करपाक, आमी केल्लें गोंयकारां खातीर मरे, की गोंयकार खाता आनी ताका कितें जायत म्हणून. सो हे जेन्ना बोवाळ मारताले ओपोजिशनान काँग्रेस म्हणून विजय करतात, तो विजय कितें, विजयाचें रिलेशन कितें आहा तें फॉर्मेलिना. आतां हे काँग्रेस पार्टीक हांव सांगूंक सोदता, ती कितें होल्डिंगां मारतात पळय, लोकांक पिशे करूं नाकात. जे फॉर्मेलिनान म्हजो रोल आहा ते नुस्तेकार म्हजे घरा आयले आनी हांवें ते कोण ती सरदेसाय आहा तिका हांवें फोन मारलो कितें जालां काय म्हणून. कितें करपाचें हांवें फोन मारपाचो न्ही. अरे एकूच मंत्री आशिल्लो साश्टीन, कोणाच्या घरा येवपाचें ते मंत्री आशिल्लो हो पळय विनोद पालेकर. विचार ताका हांवें केन्ना फोन केल्लो जाल्यार ते फॉर्मेलिना खातीर. बरं तो कोण इब्राहिमाची खबरो सांगता, रिलेशन ना ताचे कडेन. आनी खंयचोय मनीस म्हजी चॅलेंज आहा आयचे दिसाक म्हणजे कसलें फायनान्शियल डिलिंग ताजे कडेन जर आसा प्रूव करूंक शकता, हांव रिजायन जाता आमदार म्हणून आयज आजूच. तितलें न्ही, ना जाल्यार कोणाचेय जर एलिगेशन हांव तुमकां दाखयता विथ पेपर हांव आय एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एनिथींग. हांव सगळें विचार करून उलयतां, हांव वयल्या वयर उलयना. कोण जो सांगता कोणाक उलय म्हणून, कोण रिमोट कंट्रोल पेपारें वाजयता ते पेपाऱ्यांचेर आमी भिनात, ताका भिना आनी काँग्रेसीकूय भिना, काँग्रेसी होल्डिंगाकूय भिना. हें क्लियर कट सांगूंक सोदता हांव. आनी गोंयचे जनतेक कळपाक जाय की हो जो इश्यू आहा हो तेन्ना जाल्लो 2018. 2019 इनॉग्रेट जालें लॅब, ते फंक्शनल 6 म्हयन्यांनी जातले म्हणटाले, आमकां 6 म्हयन्यांनी काडले. ताजे मागीर कितें करताले तुमी, भुजी भाजताले, कितें करी तुमी, हो इश्यू तो.
CM has to resign.
CM has to resign for the deaths, no? There are 3,346 deaths. 80 people have died in between 10th and 14th. And it has been accepted by the government's own committee. What led to the deaths? See, they are talking about, I'll give you the exact thing. They are saying that that the deaths have occurred because GMC didn't do anything in spite of being aware of the need of oxygen augmentation. Only put it in an affidavit before the High Court. हो तांचो पॉइंट नंबर 1 हा. दुसरो पॉइंट असो हा की रॅशनल असेसमेंट म्हणून जो करचो आसता की आमकां ऑक्सिजन कितलो लागतलो हो ताणी केलोच ना. फक्त एक नोडल ऑफिसर अपॉइंट केलो. तिसरो पॉइंट असो हा की गार्ड म्हणटा ते गोवा असोसिएशन ऑफ रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स तांणी एक लेटर बरयलें. ताजेर कांयच एक्शन जीएमसीन घेतली ना. चवथें अशें आहा की स्कूप म्हणटा ती एक कंपनीक जून 2018 सिंगल सप्लायर केलो सगळ्या हॉस्पिटलांतलो. हे रिपोर्ट म्हणटा. आनी जेन्ना जीएमसीचो डिमांड वाडपाक लागलो कोविडा खातीर दुसऱ्या हॉस्पिटलांक ताणें सप्लाय करपाचेंच बंद केलें. थंय लोक मेले आसतले. मागीर हो ट्रॉली सिस्टम म्हणून जो आहा तो आर्काईक म्हणटा. आर्काईक म्हळ्यार कितें? इट इज टू गो इन टू आर्कायव्ज. आंतीक सिस्टम तो वापरतात इवन फॉर द सुपर स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल. ताका पासून तो आशिल्लो म्हणून हो रिपोर्ट म्हणटा. हांव म्हणना. मागीर कितें म्हणटात पळय जून 2018 ऑक्सिजन रिक्वायरमेंट आशिल्लो 1,500 ट्रॉली पर इयर अशें म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटान एसेस केलो. पूण एक्च्युअल वापरताले 2,880 ट्रॉलीज पर इयर विच मिन्स 1,380 ट्रॉलीज चड गरज आशिल्ल्यो. त्यो मेळ्यो ना म्हणून लोक मेले. सो 80 मुजो नकळो हांव. म्हाका दिसता तो फिगर बरो व्हड आसतलो. सो बेसीक मुख्यमंत्र्याक हांव कित्याक अटॅक करता कित्याक मुख्यमंत्र्यान 11 मे 2021 चार्ज घेतली आनी ताणें म्हणलें की आपूण आतां फुडें कितें तें पळयता. सो जेन्ना चार्ज घेतली तुमी जेन्ना ताजो फोटो पब्लीश केलो ते सगळें ब्लू घालून PPE जाल्यार आतां रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घे मरे. क्रेडीट घेवपाक जर तूं फुडें आहा जाल्यार रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक फुडें आसपाक जाय. हें कर्तव्य जाता एक आमदाराची आनी एक मंत्र्याचें आनी चड करून ते मुख्यमंत्र्याचें.
Health Minister has missing
Health
this
Minister is also.
Health Minister has been told to go home because they want to hide this coal issue. This coal issue is the biggest scam. It is a scam which is of 1,546 crores that is lost to the government. Health Minister has been told to go on leave after a cabinet that has happened today. Check. He was present for the cabinet. He has been told to go on leave to hide this. Basically, हे लिपोवपा खातीर ताका धाडला. MDO जे कोल ब्लॉकाचो इश्यू आहा तो लिपोवपा खातीर ताका थंय धाडला.
One more thing is that when all these things are report even even at the center in that assembly, their session, parliament session, they said no, that's
फोटिंग न रे. फोट मागतात न रे. हो सरकार सारको काडतात फोटिंग.
तो 5,000ची पानाचे रिप्लाय आसा तो खंयच्या क्वेश्चनाक म्हणटाले हेल्थाचे
5,000 आजे
voluminous म्हणटाले.
आजे मोपा एअरपोर्टाचे.
मोपा एअरपोर्टाचे खंयच्या तो क्वेश्चन पोस्टपोन जाल्यात ते.
अरे ते क्वेश्चन नो क्वेश्चन ताणी पोस्टपोन केला. हांवें ताका उठून कितें सांगलें की तूं सगळें जर पोस्टपोन करता तूं सेशन पोस्टपोन कर म्हणून. अरे हे 2 दिसाचें नांवाचें सेशन वावर तुमी जो काडटा तो पसून जर तुमी सारको करूंक शकना तुमी गोंयचे जनतेक दाखोवन कितें दितात की तुमी नालायक म्हणून तुमच्यान तें चलोवंकूच जायना म्हणून सरकार. गोंय म्हणटा तें एक प्रोग्रेसीव राज्य ते असल्या लोकां कडच्यान चलोवंकूच शकना. हें ताणी सिद्ध करून दाखयल्लें आहा.
म्हाका टेक्निकली सांगा म्हणजे ते म्हणटात नेक्स्ट असेंब्ली सेशन
खंयची ती हो आसतलो कित्या वयल्यान ते जे संकेत मेळटात ते भशेन म्हाका दिसता
न्यू गव्हर्मेंट हे घेवंक शकता.
घेवंक शकता.
So that means because of this
ना
report,
घेवंक शकना.
घेवंक शकना न्ही हे सोंपलें न्ही. खंयचे नेक्स्ट सेशन
आनी कांय ना ते. पूण तो म्हणूंक शकता आपूण एक घेतलो.
because of this report,
पळय फाल्यां जर कोविडाची 3rd वेव आयली जाल्यार एक आर्टिकल 125 म्हणून कॉन्स्टिट्युशनाचें आसा बाय वीच यू कॅन पोस्टपोन द इलेक्शन. लेट्स से चायना अटॅक्स इंडिया in a national emergency, even elections can be postponed for 2 months. In which case that 6 months period to fill up, they may have to have a session. पार्सेकर जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो between election and result एक सेशन घेतिल्लें पळय नांवाचें बजेट पास जावपाक.
budget pass out.
सो तें गव्हर्मेंट बंद पडटा म्हणून ताजे खातीर तें केन्ना केन्ना फॉर्मेलिटी करची पडटा. ही फॉर्मालिटी कंप्लीट करपा खातीर तो म्हणूंक शकता की नेक्स्ट सेशन. he has got that option.
स्पीकरान एक रुलिंग दिला आता ताणें म्हटलं की व्हॉल्युमिनस क्वेश्चन विचारचे न्ही.
अरे पळय हो स्पीकर आहा पळय हे स्पीकराची काकूट दिसता ताका कोण बावडो कितें बरोवन दिता आनी तो तें रिपीट करता. हे स्पीकरान लोकशाहीची हत्या केल्ली आहा आनी जे लोकांची हत्या केल्या ते बोवाळ मानना ते सेटिंगान आहा. कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. अरे डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन येत ना. डिस्क्वॉलिफाईड मनीस थंय बशिल्ले आहा. ज्या लोकांनी बोवाळ करूंक जाय तो कोण उलयत ना. एक इश्यू आहा तुका प्रायवेटली आमी मागीर सांगता. जंय एक मनशाचेर डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन घालें कोर्टान डायरेक्शन दिली पिटिशनराक अशें अशें कर म्हणून. पिटिशनरान एफिडेविटूच फायल केलना. कळ्ळें तुका कितें तें. कित्याक घालतात तुमी लोकांच्या दोळ्याक उदक लावपाक. मागीर कितें करता हे असली सेटिंगां करता आनी स्पीकरान मागीर आपलें नांव वगडायना. स्पीकर शूड एटलिस्ट ताका हांवें काल फोन केल्लो अरे बाबा वतना वतना नांव बरें दवरून वच म्हणून. हाड बरें हय हाड बरें.
बी केअरफुल.
अरे बाबा पळय बी केअरफूल. केन्ना सीएम केन्नाच्यान राजकारणांत आहा ताका विचार आनी हांव केन्नाच्यान आहा तो. बी केअरफूल. म्हाका काडून कितलीं वर्सां जालीं रे. 2 वर्सां जालीं. कितें करतालो 2 वर्सां कितें करतालो. फायलीक भितात सांग चॅलेंज करता फायल काडून सांग कसली ती. ताजी काडूंक जाय जाल्यार ती काडटा हांव. ताजें ना म्हणून न्ही काडपाचें आहा आमी. पूण तें हें सांगनाका धमकी दिवं नाका पळय. धमकेक आमी भिवपी न्ही. हांव केन्ना भुरगो आसतना हांवें म्हजे बापायक भिवूं ना. हो म्हाका खंयचो भिवयलो हो केन्नाचो जालो. आतां पर्रीकार म्हाका भिवूंक शकना मरे. के फायल काडटा काडून सांगाच. चॅलेंज म्हजी चल फायल काडून दाखय कोणाची आहा ती. ओगी कोणा भिवला आनी कोणाचें उलयता तें उलया. म्हजें उलोवं नाका. आनी म्हाका जर एक कुस्कुटाक जर हांव मेळटालो म्हाका सोडनाशिल्लें तें सोडपाचें. हां हे तें कितें आसल्यार म्हाका हॅरेसमेंट करूंक ना ताणी. म्हजी कामां केल्या ताणी. ताका विचार हांव कितल्या जाणांचे म्हऱ्यान गेला तो. कितल्या जाणां खंयचे मंत्र्या म्हऱ्यान गेला. एकदां पांय दिले जाल्यार विचार ते खंयचे ते तुजे ते सेक्रेटरिएटान कितें उलयतात ते. कोणाचें आनी कोणाक सांग म्हण सांग. म्हजे कडेन तें नांव ओगीच तें चुकून चाक करून म्हजें नांव घालनाका म्हण. त्या दिसा ते थंयचे लिडर जो आयला ताका इम्प्रेस करपाक तें म्हणलें आसतलें.
Possible this is the last session.
It is looks to be the last.
इलेक्शन बरें
Looks to be a retirement session for a few.
इलेक्शन बरें फोर जावपाचें आहा.
Yes, जाऊन दी मरे बरें.